Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Notion to organize your volunteer projects like a pro. Let's kick things off by opening Notion and creating a new workspace. This will be our central hub for all volunteer project-related information. Workspaces keep your data organized and separate from other projects, ensuring you can focus on what matters most. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page within our workspace. This page will serve as our main project dashboard. It's here where we'll track tasks, deadlines, and assignments. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual layout of the project's progress and what needs to be done. Next up, we're adding tables to our page. Tables in Notion are powerful tools. They can be used to track volunteer names, roles, and availability. This helps us because it provides a quick reference for who is involved in the project and what they're responsible for. Now let's add a calendar view to these tables. By linking our tasks to a calendar, we can see deadlines and important dates at a glance. This is critical in ensuring no task falls through the cracks and everyone is aware of upcoming milestones. Finally, we're going to use Notion's comment feature to facilitate communication. Comments can be added to any task or item, making it easy to provide updates, feedback, or ask questions right where the context is clear. This helps because it streamlines communication and keeps everything in one place. There you have it. You're now equipped to use Notion to efficiently organize your volunteer projects. Remember, the key lies in the effective use of workspaces, pages, tables, calendar views, and comments. Keep exploring Notion's features and happy organizing.